Hi everyone, it's Teacher Lina. How is everyone doing? I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be releasing a home quarantine practice series. So I'll be doing some practice videos for the younger and the bigger kids that you can follow through online. In these videos, I'm going to be tackling simple steps that you can do at home. Teacher also wants to announce that the Marley flooring, yes, has arrived from Celebrity. I will be prioritizing the big girls to get the Marley flooring and some of the younger girls who need the flooring for the next few weeks. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying teachers' online classes. We have a lot more announcements in the next few weeks with regards to the summer program that we're going to be having on May. These classes are open to girls and dancers from the studio and from outside the studio. So if you're online wherever you are, from the Philippines or from the US, we've been having girls and dancers from Vienna as well and Australia. We're happy to have you with us in the studio as we deliver our online classes. Thank you for all the support and we hope to see you online again. And for those who are looking for details, don't forget to look in our dancebylina.com/enroll page for more details. Bye girls and kids and adults. We understand how these ballet classes online will never amount to what physical classes can bring, but we hope you enjoy our Dance with Lina ballet series online for now.